Hi everybody, my name is Matt Elliott. I'm here at Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. Today to show you the Rockwood by Forest River. This is a Rockwood tent trailer and this model is called the 1980. This is a good one if you want one that's not too big and fancy, not too expensive, and very, very towable, but also able to sleep more people. So we'll take a look inside and I'll show you the floor plan right now. One thing you'll see as we go in here that we have a full one-piece door. It's really solid. It's not wonky or wobbly, and it doesn't have to be assembled together the way some tent trailers do. It's very easy to use and set up. Okay, now in here we've got, first of all, we've got queen beds at both ends, and these are heated mattresses, which is great. You can really extend your camping season. And the reason we have so many boxes in here is a lot of stuff that comes with these things. One of the things that comes with is a barbecue that connects to the outside, so we can cook indoors or outdoors. You see your kitchen right here, and there is your 3-burner stove, your refrigerator down here, and that's all dynamite. And this even has hot and cold running water. Now, the other thing that's special about this floor plan is that we have a dining area here. This is a horseshoe seating area that makes into a bed. And then we have a dinette here, and this folds down, and we can make a bed right here. So that's pretty nice. The other thing is you'll notice that we got a lot of zip downs in here, and if you zip everything down, you really get some great ventilation. You can get a lot of fresh air in here, which is one of the big pluses of having a tent trailer. Also, this one has a high capacity exhaust fan up here in the ceiling. So when you are wanting to get the moisture out of your trailer, you can do this. That's going to take the moisture out quickly because it's an exhaust fan, and it's going to reduce the chances that you're going to have mildew or any kind of dampness or dankness inside your trailer. There's a lot more to talk about on the inside, but let's take a look around the outside. Okay, so up here you'll notice that we have a sort of a bag at the top of this. This is called a bag awning, and we unzip it, it unrolls, and there's legs that connect to either the trailer or the ground, and we could create a really nice sort of a shady area on the front of our trailer. Makes it a lot bigger and more shady. Okay, now the canvas on this is a vinylized canvas, and the thing I like about this is it's not going to get mildewy the way that some canvases can do, and it's actually got a 5-year warranty on it. And the other thing that's nice, it's really easy to clean. I mean, you can get a little simple green and hit this and wipe it down, and it'll dry out right away because it's not canvas, it's vinylized canvas. And that works a lot better. Also, if we look here, you see the way this is finished here? A couple of notes. The canvas is built into the bunk. So when I pull the bunk out, the canvas comes with it, and it's right where it's supposed to go, which makes it easier to set up and less likely that it'll get snagged or damaged. Then this part here, this all Velcros into place. Now the neat thing about that is I get a solid seal all the way down the bottom. It's all Velcroed, so there's no place there for a bee or a spider or some kind of bug to get in. And then we have this little storm flap here, and this secures down and it keeps all the weather out of my coach too. And this is a really dynamite setup. These bunk ends are solid exterior grade plywood. They're not made out of a strand board or particle boards. They're very good. Let's go this way. Here's your hot water heater I wanted you to know about. And you notice it has nice alloy wheels. It has an outside shower. Goes with that hot water heater. It's nice to have a little hot water. I love that this is a removable shore cord. The thing that's nice about that is I can put it away when it's not in use and nobody's likely to steal it, and I don't have to worry about a cord being into a hole here where maybe a mouse would run up there or something. This is a little bit better for that. And let's go around this way. I want you to take a look under the tongue here, and you'll notice that we have, first of all, we have 2 propane tanks. A lot of tent trailers only have 1. And this winch here is a power lift mechanism. And what that's going to do is let me raise and lower my top really easily without cranking on it. And it's very, very reliable. This lift mechanism only has maybe 12 feet of cable in it. It's a really solid state system, and it makes it very reliable. If I ever have a problem with my winch, that whole system's out here on the tongue, easy to get to. It's not built up somewhere inside the coach. I like that. If you take a look at the overall space here, it's not a real big trailer. It's not a real heavy trailer. This trailer probably weighs about something in the teens, maybe 15 to 16, 1700 pounds. So it's towable by a lot of vehicles. That's just a quick thumbnail sketch of the 1980 from Forest River Rockwood. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please feel free to give me a call if you have any questions. I'd love to show it to you in person. My name's Matt Elliott, and you can reach me at 541-954-8495.